Tiger free cloud mining. Let's check this one out. Cost nothing, right? Welcome to Tiger. We offer multiple ways to earn free cryptocurrency through Faucet, PTC games, cloud mining, and more. Instant payments and secured platform. So this is set to be featured on Medium, Trustpilot, LinkedIn, and has a total of 18,832 users. And so far, 5.11 ETH has been withdrawn from here. Referral commissions 1.8 ETH. Days online turn. Earners earn Ethereum every second. Free mining power welcome bonus. No investment deposit required. Instant payments. No minimum withdrawals. 50% referral commission. More bonus gifts and bounty. So they have the frequently asked questions here. You might want to look this up. How to claim mining power? Is it required to invest or deposit first to withdraw earnings? The answer is no. Is Tiger a legitimate platform? What do you expect? You may find our company registration info, Tiger support assistance. Well, we're here, so let's hit the create account button. You have a security check. So in my case is to sum this up, click on verify. Correct. So security verification complete. So you provide your Faucet Pay email address here and you click on start mining after the security check. I got this. Welcome to your dashboard. You can always boost your earnings and more faster by purchasing more hash power. Got it. Alright, so cryptocurrency cloud mining Telegram bot will be launched on October 20. We now support Dogecoin, USDT, and so on and so forth. Alright, so it says I'm mining here already. I have 3 GH per second hash power. My balance value is currently 0. Join us in Telegram. You can copy your link and go share. Join us on Telegram and X for daily rewards. So let's start with the X. Here's Tiger Corp. Hit the follow. We support Dogecoin. Alright, order history, nothing there. Earn extra bonus and bounty. So social media posts. So you post your referral link on any social media and you receive 100 GH per second. You post your referral link on a cryptocurrency related forum, sites like Bitcoin Talk, Quora, you get 100. PTC or advertising sites. Promote your referral link on advertising sites like Pay to Click PTC. You receive 500 GH per second. Website or blog posts 500. Create a promotion video on YouTube. Place your referral link on description and comment box. You get 500 GH per second. Custom partnership promotions or marketing offers. Just contact us. Okay, if you want to accept our offers above, just send an email to our promotions team at this. Please make sure to include your Tiger free cloud mining referral link. Expect to respond within 24 hours. Okay, so those are the different ways to earn on the platform. So I'm currently in a mining session already. You can see this is going up, right? So ensure to count the zeros so you understand how much you're earning with this 3G H per second sign up bonus. So look at this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So you haven't earned up to 1 Satoshi yet according to your mining power. So if you want to increase your mining rate, you sure know what to do, what I just showed you here. So let's hit the menu here, top right. So let's click on withdrawals. Well, they already said that there are no minimum withdrawal threshold, right? But you haven't actually mined. So I guess any little amount can be withdrawn to Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay is a very nice withdrawal method because threshold is very considerate. So on the menu again, there is a referrals. So this way you can copy your link and share to earn 50% referral commissions, and of course you can track how people are using your referral link, like the visits and stuff. You can download the banner here in the 468 by 60 pixels, and of course another one 728 by 90 pixels that you'll be using as a marketing tool as you're sharing your referral link. So you can find news about the project here. So latest updates and announcement will be published on official Telegram channel and Twitter. So we're already following the Twitter page. Now let's check the Telegram page. Alright, so this is a Tiger Corp. You hit the join button and once in a while you'll be getting updates. So they have other sites as well, but we're focusing on this for now. So that's basically it about the Tiger free ETH mining platform in summary, right? So jump on my referral link, register, receive your 3GH the second sign up bonus, and you're in already. If you do not have a Faucet Pay account already, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and submit your email to start mining your free Ethereum on Tiger corp mining platform. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.